and you must have understood the lesson. So now we are going to look after the exercise part. Okay, here you have some of the words, new words. You can write it in your copy and learn the word. Okay, these are the word meanings you can write, and the question answers I will send you in PDF form. You can find it in the description box. Okay, you can do it. And here we have put the following sentences in order. The first sentence is in the correct place. Okay, so here we have some sentences given, but these sentences are in disorder. मतलब कि आगे पीछे दिया हुआ है. सो हम लोग क्या करना है, इसको ऑर्डर में लेकर आना. ठीक है, तो ऑर्डर में कैसे लेकर आएंगे? तो फर्स्ट वन इज इन ऑर्डर. देयर वाज अ फनी मैन एट अकबर्स कोर्ट. ओके, एंड सी हिज मदर चेस्ड हिम. These are the, this is not in order. Okay, all the sentences are not in order, so we have to make it in a proper manner. Okay, so based on the story of this lesson. Okay, okay, the second one, there was a funny man at Akbar's court. This man's name Mullah to Piazza. Okay, this is second. And the third, okay, third one, the mullah had a son who was 6 years old. Okay, this is the third one. And then one day he behaved. This is the fourth. Okay, then okay, then this one is 5, fifth. Got it? You're observing me, just I am reading it. Okay, and after that, see, the boy hid under his bed. So this is 6. Then the mullah came home and went talked to his son. 7. Got it? And last one is G. 8. Okay, so first one we can read from the beginning. There was a funny man at Akbar's court. Okay, this man's name was Mullah do Piazza, and the mullah had a son who was 6 years old. Okay, and one day the son behaved very badly. Then his mother chased him. Then 6, the boy hid under his bed. 7, the mullah came home and went to talk to his son. 8, he joined his son under the bed. So this is the order. You can make it right. Okay, fine. So moving on to the next page, working with words. Use the phrases in sentences of your own. So here we have some phrases, so we have to make it our own sentences. Okay, so this one you try to make it such a great king. So you can make from the story, from the book, see the lesson, you can find out the sentence, this phrase, and you can make a sentences. You can write it. Okay, so and see, these are the things already there in the book. So you find out the phrase and you can complete the sentence. You can do it your own. Okay, this can be your homework because it is very easy. You can do it. Okay, fine. Then third, learning about language. Learning about language. Read the following. Okay, Akbar's court, the court of Akbar, the mullah's son, the son of the mullah. Okay, so see here we have some of the words. Okay, given here. So what we have to do is we have to make, see, read the following. See here it given the Akbar's court. Okay, the court of the Akbar. So what we have to do is this apostrophe, this is called apostrophe. Okay, we have to make the apostrophe and change the sentence. Okay, and copy the sentences below in your notebook put the missing apostrophe. So wherever you find the apostrophe is missing, so you have to make it there. Okay, so here this emperor's court was full of musicians. So what we have to do is, so here we have to make an apostrophe. You got it? So watch the video very closely, then only you can understand. It is a single apostrophe. Okay, closely you watch, then only you can understand. There were poets, okay, and writers at Akbar's court. So the apostrophe you have to write it Akbar's court. Akbar's court means the Akbar's court. Okay, so here Akbar's court. Then the boy's mother did not go to her son's room. Okay, here we have two apostrophes. Okay, one is boy's mother. Okay, boy's mother means the apostrophe इसका मतलब क्या है कि possessive है. Okay, बच्चा का mother, ठीक है, बच्चा का मम्मा, ऐसे. son's room, ये जो लड़का का रूम है, ठीक है, उसको बताने के लिए apostrophe डालते हैं. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपका पेंसिल, हाउ वुड यू से माई पेंसिल, यू नो. सो आपका नाम क्या है, तो नाम डालकर apostrophe यस डालकर पेंसिल डालना. ठीक है, अजय's पेंसिल. ओके, लाइकवाइज द बॉयज फादर वॉज अकबर्स फ्रेंड. सो हियर टू पोसेसिव आ रहा है. तो वन इज बॉयज फादर, ये लड़का का पापा है, और अकबर का फ्रेंड है, दोस्त, अकबर्स फ्रेंड. समझ गया? So these are the apostrophe. You got it? So first one is here Akbar's, second Akbar's court, boys and sons room, boy's father, Akbar's friend. You got it? Okay, now here we are going to change it. The same way we are going to change it. First one, we have an example like the head of the boy was small. इसको हम सेंटेंस चेंज करके लिखेंगे. The boy's head was small. Okay, the same way we have to write the other sentences. Okay. Okay, the wife of the mullah chased the boy. So how will you write? So here you have to write mullah's wife. Mullah apostrophe, mullah's wife chased the boy. Okay, you can complete the sentence. Then here second one, there were clever people at the court of the emperor. So इसको change करके कैसे लिखेंगे? The emperor's court. Okay, M apostrophe S, emperor's court. Got it? Okay. Then the third one, Mullah do Piazza crawled under the bed of his son. So here how can we write? Son's bed. Son apostrophe yes, bed. Son's bed. Got it? Okay. The name of the man was Mullah do Piazza. So here what we can write? Man apostrophe yes, man's name was the Mullah do Piazza. Got it? Here the words of the boy made the father speechless. So here what we have to write? Yeah, right. Boys word, words. Okay. लड़का का जो शब्द है, जो बताया उन्होंने उसका. ओके, बॉयज वर्ड. अगर हम लोग अपॉस्ट्रोफी निकाल दिया तो वो क्या हो जाता है? प्लूरल हो जाता है. समझ गया ना? अगर अपॉस्ट्रोफी होगा सिंगल पोसेसिव. समझ गया? ठीक है. So now moving on to the next page. So actually this grammar part already you are learning in the English 2 lesson subjects. So still we can do the things. Okay. Find the mistakes in the following and write out these sentences correctly. So here we have some sentences. So it is not given in a proper way, correct order. So what we have to do is we have to take the wrong one and write it correctly. Okay. The old man goes to the market yesterday. Okay. The old man goes to the market. It is not a right way. So what we have to write is the old man. This one we have to cut down. Okay. Yesterday it was past tense. So what we have to write is, here we have to take out this one. Okay, this one is wrong. Okay, इसके बदले हम what we have to write, old man इसकी जगह में went to the market yesterday. You got it? The old man went to the market yesterday. Okay. Okay, next one. Temples to I see tomorrow. So how will you write this one? Here I will write the whole sentence. I shall see two temples tomorrow. Okay, so this is how you have to write, because this sentence is in tomorrow, means it's going to be future tense, so you have to write it in future form. This was in the past form, so we have to write it in the past tense. Okay, all the birds flies in the sky. So how will you write all the birds flies? So here what you have to write is, so first find out the tense, in which tense it is given. Okay, so we have to write it, all the birds are flying in the sky. All the birds are flying in the sky. Please gives me 6 banana. So it is not a proper sentence. So how we have to write? Please give me 6 bananas. Okay, please give me 6 bananas. Okay, then he could not be able to come. So ये दोनों sentence, एक sentence दोनों word cannot be used in the same area. He wasn't able to come. Okay. My mother smile at me every day. So it's a wrong sentence. We are correcting. My mother smiles at me every day. Okay. So you can do all the corrections over here. Okay. Listening and speaking. Okay. So listening and speaking, what are the things? Row your boat. So these are the words given, just you have to listen and write. Okay, look at the picture of Ranveer's family below. Read the questions that follow. Listen to the information about Ranveer. Can you answer all the questions correctly? So here we have so can you do this one? आप लोग अपने आप listen करके. Here I think this one you can do it. Okay. Okay, then that one you can do it, because you listening actually maybe it is not a. So here composition. Can you finish these rhymes? Follow the pattern of the rhyme in the listening and speaking exercise on page 46. Use your own word. Play your drum. So here are some rhyming word. You can write it in your word. Okay, so here we can write some. Okay, here what we can do is beat your drum. Okay, there's a play your drum. The same way, beat your drum. And some other words like, what are the words you can use? Noisily. Okay, beat your drum. And beat, clap. Okay, so some of the words you can write in a same rhyming. Okay, clap, keep the same old beat. Okay, so these things you can finish it out. Okay, and here emperors ruled our country. Emperors ruled over. Find out the name of some of the great Indian rulers. Please draw the pictures of 2 Indian rulers in your book. So here you try, if possible, you can draw the pictures. Okay, and I think that's all of the book exercise part. So you can complete it. If you have any doubt, you can call and you can inform me. Okay, fine.